Tangled lights in city skies, street whispers as the moon rises, quiet buzz of distant cars, chasing echoes of old bars. Raindrops dance on rooftops slow, looking for a place to go. Neon signs that softly hum in the night where shadows come, floating through this endless haze, lost in thoughts for countless days. Steam and midnight tunes break the silence of my room. Eyes that wander aimlessly, finding comfort in the breeze. Books that tell forgotten tales of broken hearts, page a quiet plea for a moment's company, floating through this endless haze, lost in thoughts for countless days, wandering without a sound in this urban books that tell forgotten tales of broken hearts and love derailed. Every page a quiet